Hi, this is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here responsible for the medical device and pharmaceutical litigation. And the reason I'm doing this video is to answer a question that many people have asked us over the years concerning medical device cases or pharmaceutical cases. And what happens is we get calls many times from people who have cases on file with other lawyers who are seeking information about litigation, about what's going on with their case. And it seems like that is a common problem where people are not getting information about the case, about the litigation from their lawyers. We hear people complaining that they're not able to contact their lawyer. And so what I wanted to do is give some advice on how to deal with that kind of situation. The first thing you need to do is when you call your attorney's office, it's very important that you ask to speak to the attorney directly. Many times, paralegals, assistants, or secretaries may not have the kind of in-depth knowledge that you need about your case or about the litigation. So ask to speak directly to your attorney. If he is not available, ask for his email address. Send him an email. That's often a very good way to get in touch with your attorney, especially one that's very busy and is out of the office often. The other thing you can do is ask for your attorney's cell phone number. At my firm, we give all of our clients my personal cell phone number, and they could reach me when I'm traveling or anytime. So ask your attorney for his cell phone number. If you do it at the beginning of the case, he should give it to you. He should be accessible. If phone calls and emails don't work, you should try sending a letter to your attorney. Send a letter that explains that you're not happy with the communication, with the information that's being provided, and you would like more regular updates. Letters almost always get responded to. Now, if you've tried the letters, the emails, and the phone calls, and you're still not getting a response or getting adequate information, the last resort is you are always free to fire your attorney. The law in almost every state gives clients the absolute right to change attorneys at any time. And so if you are not getting information from your attorney and they're not responding to your inquiries adequately, you can send them a letter indicating that you are going to be retaining a new attorney. Now, most states, almost all states, have laws on the books that give clients the absolute right to change attorneys. And the way it works with fees typically is if you're on a contingency fee agreement, the new attorney will almost always match the fee agreement of your previous attorney. So if your previous attorney was charging 40%, the new attorney will charge 40%. And that doesn't mean you have to pay 80%, okay? Because the laws in almost every state are that if someone changes attorneys, the client will not have to pay more in fees. So the fee will remain the same, 40%, and then the fee will be divided amongst your old attorney and your new attorney. And it will be divided based on the amount of work that each attorney contributed to your case. So if you change attorneys early on in the litigation, and the new attorney takes your case and works it up and gets it ready for trial, that attorney will usually get most of the fee, that 40% fee. Conversely, if you change attorneys at the last second right before trial, your previous attorney is going to get most of the fee. But what's important to know is that it's not going to cost you anything extra. As the client, you have the right to switch attorneys, and even if the attorney puts something in his contract that says you're going to have to pay me a fee even if you fire me, that is not valid to make you pay more than the agreed upon percentage. So that's how it works. That's my advice to people who call me and are concerned about their attorney not responding to them. If you have any other questions or concerns, or you want some more advice on what you can do, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at the phone number on the screen, or you can fill out one of our online forms and we'll get back to you right away.